Hey y'all, how you doing this afternoon? It is Saturday. We are working. We're here with a favorite client, and I can tell you this: there was a hailstorm that passed through. We've done the roof, we've done the gutters. We turn around, come around this way. We even replaced the garage door. Check this out. The fence has been stained, and now what are you noticing? Noticing new boxes? Guess what this is? Opa. That is an old evaporator coil. Oh my goodness. What do we got here? This is a furnace? Wow. Are we replacing this guy? Yeah? That's an old unit right there. Right? Is it really that old? I don't know. Check these things out. Now, tell me this. What do you spend your deductible on? Huh? Get this. Check. I've got. Let's go. How you doing? New shed? Yeah? You'll see the brand new siding on it? Yeah?
Oh, that's nice.
Ah, you like that?
Yeah.
See? That is just beauty right there. Come on.
Take it easy.
Careful, there's a big hole right there. Oh. Hola. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bien. Más trabajo. Más trabajo. ¿Qué pasó, man? Bonito. Sí, es diferente. Diferente, sí. Nuevecito. Nuevo. That's a nuevo. This is new right here. Now, again, what are you spending your deductible on, huh? Now, this is the beauty right here. It's a brand new 7 sincere Lennox unit. How many tons? 5? Okay. Hold on. Let's go and show you inside. We're gonna go up in the attic and see what that looks like. Sorry to wreak havoc. So, come inside. Oh, he's inside now. Oh my God, can't get away from this guy.
I'm in the case, so don't worry.
Okay,
It's
cool.
not gonna come up.
We're here.
You guys not going up, right?
I'm gonna go up. All right, come on. Now, if you notice right there, the ceiling, you know, that has leaked. The chimney has leaked. The chimney siding has leaked. So starting probably middle of next month, what we're going to do is we're going to repair this, okay? And unfortunately, water came down all the way to the floors. So all the floors are gonna go.
Okay.
Okay, and that was the part of this peril, part of this hailstorm, and it all is covered by one deductible.
Nice.
All right, and it does take a lot of work. We've been on this claim probably for about 7 or 8 months now, but more and more work is being done as we're moving along. So let's go upstairs and show this unit. Protecting everything. Let's go up the stairs. Okay. All right, so now we're here. This is a brand new system. Everything has been taken out. We're replacing the furnace, we're replacing the pen, all the plumbing, everything gets maintained, and nothing's better than the brand new stuff, right? That's the furnace, that's the coil, that's a new filter. Everything has been installed and connected. We're not touching any ductwork because that's separated, but we are trying to install exactly the system that they had before, which is previously they had a Lennox system as well. It is fairly new. This is a tankless water heater, by the way. Isn't that a beauty?
Beautiful.
No tank. Still leaks. But that's it, guys. If you're thinking about who you can trust, and if you're thinking about saving your deductible, you better think twice, okay? Find a company that has a track record, that has done things before. Talk to salespeople, find out who the project manager is, talk to them about your claim in an all entirety. See if they're able to do a whole thing for you as a general contractor like Advantage Remodeling and Roofing, all right? Call Advantage Remodeling and Roofing if you want to get a fair answers to your questions, to the claim process, what a deductible covers, when does it need to be covered, what's the percentages, what is included, what's not included, what was covered, what was not covered, what's damaged, what's not. We will answer all your questions, all right? I'm out.